Have you ever checked your bank app and seen two different balance amounts? Let's clear up what your ledger balance actually means. The ledger balance is your bank account's official starting point for the day. It represents the amount of money in your account at the very beginning of the business day, before any new transactions are processed. Think of it as a snapshot. It counts money that has fully settled, but ignores anything still currently processing or pending. The ledger balance is for record keeping, while your available balance is the actual amount you are free to spend right now. Banks use the ledger balance to calculate interest or check for account fees because it offers a stable, fixed point for the day. The most important takeaway is to distinguish between the two, so you never accidentally spend money that hasn't cleared yet. Understanding these banking terms helps you manage your money with confidence. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more basics.